Every time I looked at my bank account and realized I needed more money, my answer was always the same: work more. I picked up extra shifts, and later I even started driving Uber because I thought the answer to every financial problem was simply earning a little more money. At first, it actually worked. Every extra shift meant more money in my bank account, and that felt like progress. But after a while, I noticed something that completely changed the way I think about money. I was earning more, but my financial future wasn't really changing. I was solving today's problem over and over again, but I wasn't building anything that would make tomorrow easier. That's when I realized I had been focusing on only one piece of the puzzle. Money is important, but income alone isn't enough if you want to get ahead financially. Over the years, I learned that you need to build a few other things alongside your paycheck. Once I understood that, I stopped looking at every extra hour of work the same way. In this video, I want to share the exact framework that changed my perspective. It's simple, it's practical, and it's something I wish someone had explained to me years ago. Let's start with income, because this is where almost everyone begins. One thing I've noticed is that people often jump straight into talking about investing, passive income, or building wealth. The problem is, none of those things matter if you don't have any extra money left at the end of the month. Before your money can work for you, you first need to create some financial breathing room. That's exactly what Uber did for me. I never saw it as a career, and I never expected to drive forever. I saw it as a tool that could give me extra cash while I figured out my next move. Looking back, I think that's an important distinction. A second income isn't the destination. It's a bridge. It gives you time, options, and a little less financial pressure while you're building something better. But this is also where many people get stuck. They start earning a little more, and naturally their spending grows with it. A nicer phone, more takeout, another subscription, a few things that don't seem expensive on their own. After a few months, they're working more hours than ever, but financially they're in exactly the same place. That's why I stopped looking at extra income as money to spend. I started looking at it as money with a job. Every extra dollar needed a purpose because the goal wasn't to make life a little more comfortable for 1 month. The goal was to slowly build a better financial future. The next thing that changed the way I looked at money was realizing that my income would always have a ceiling if all I did was work more hours. No matter how motivated you are, you still only have 24 hours in a day. Eventually, you reach a point where you simply can't work any longer. That's when I understood that increasing my income wasn't just about working harder, it was about becoming more valuable. For me, that meant learning new skills. I invested time into AutoCAD, project management, and understanding the commercial millwork industry. Those skills opened doors that weren't available to me before, and they gave me access to opportunities that simply didn't exist when I was only focused on earning more today. But this isn't really about AutoCAD. For someone else, it could be sales, coding, bookkeeping, AI, video editing, or any skill that businesses are willing to pay for. The specific skill doesn't matter nearly as much as having something the market values. Looking back, I wish I had understood this much earlier. A second income can help you get through this month, but a valuable skill can change how much you're able to earn for the next 10 or 20 years. That's why I stopped thinking of courses, certifications, and learning as expenses. I started seeing them as investments in my future. Every new skill increased my chances of finding a better job, negotiating a higher salary, or creating opportunities that simply weren't available before. But even after I started earning more and learning new skills, I realized something was still missing. Some of the biggest opportunities in my life didn't come from a resume or a certificate. They came from people. One thing I didn't expect when I started driving Uber was that the biggest opportunity wasn't the money, it was the people. Every day I met business owners, project managers, entrepreneurs, and professionals from different industries. Instead of thinking, this is just another ride, I started treating every conversation as a chance to learn something. Sometimes I asked what they did for a living, sometimes I asked how they got started. And sometimes those conversations turned into real connections. That's when I realized something important. Skills can open doors, but people often decide which doors actually open. The people you know won't replace hard work, but they can create opportunities you would never find by yourself. Looking back, I wish I had started building relationships much earlier, instead of thinking every extra hour was only about making a few more dollars. But there was still one final piece that changed everything. So what's the point of all this? It's actually very simple. Most people spend their entire lives trying to earn more money. What changed my life wasn't just earning more. It was learning how to use that money to build something bigger. Every extra dollar I earned started to have a purpose. Some of it helped me learn new skills. Some of it helped me meet better people and create new opportunities. And whenever I could, I invested part of it instead of spending all of it. It didn't happen overnight, and it didn't require a huge amount of money. It was simply a different way of thinking. Instead of asking, how can I make more money this month, I started asking, how can today's work continue helping me 5 years from now? That one question changed almost every financial decision I made. Looking back, I don't regret working hard. Working hard gave me the opportunity to build something. The mistake would have been stopping there, because your paycheck pays your bills, but what you build beside your paycheck is what changes your future. If there's one idea I hope you take away from this video, it's this. Don't spend your whole life building only an income. Build skills, build relationships, build assets, and little by little you'll start building a life where your money isn't working alone. You're working, your skills are working, your relationships are working, and eventually your money starts working too. That's when everything begins to change. If you enjoy videos about building a stronger financial future, not just making more money, consider subscribing. That's exactly what this channel is about.